Research Rocks. Today we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is Andobil, the world first tripod for MagSafe. This is one of the best tripod I saw ever, and this tripod price around just only $70 US. We will see detailed demonstration in this video about Andobil world first tripod for MagSafe. So inside the box, I just buy this product from Amazon in here Europe. So we will see inside the box. So the product is a very small and they are providing big box, and the product is Andobil. Here some of the features are available, model number and so. So here MagStick campaigning 2-in-1 product. Using this product you can very easily connect your camera, GoPro and DSLR. We will see inside the box. That's it, empty. And look at this. This is very good quality of the bag. You can put it here and then carry very easily during the travel. Oh, inside the box, anything else? That's it. So look at this, inside the box they are providing us some of the stickers and some another gadgets like LED cleaning wipes, some of the stickers, and this is a magnetic like this one. And here we'll see inside matchup card, and here you can download the application also available on Apple Android store. They are providing here one of the card QR, right scan, support. So 24/7 customer are also supporting you if you are facing some problem this product, and how you connect. And look at this, they are providing the wipes, so you can very easily connect this particular magnetic stick in your product here and very easily connect the particular this portion like here. So we'll see. Here is welcome guide Andobil. So how to use and what is the features, and using this one you can look at this here you can put it light and some mic also if you have mic. Now we'll see here some of the features, like suppose for example I just 360-degree like this, and you can record like this. If you are recording like this and here some work is going on, so very easily record. Now we'll fix out here in the mobile. Just now I put it here camera and just I press here in the downstairs one button, simply like this. It's fixed and it's very compact. Now you can record like this or like this. So that one is really good quality product. And now you can very easily rotate it also, triangle and all. Now you can record some pictures like this, and if you remove this one your phone, so you just simply press this one again, you just put it here in your phone like this and press here this particular button like this. The phone is automatic fix. Download this application, and using this remote you can very easily connect the picture and start the recording. That point of view, it's really amazing and very compact product for the unboxing. It's very compact product. Open tripod, look at this. This is a tripod. So now I just simply open here tripod. Really amazing, good quality. You can put it here like this. It's really good. Now we can open here. It's so huge size. The size around my height, around 5 feet 4 centimeter. It's really amazing. This is, you can use this product for 2-3 devices. So we will see now how to connect here in your DSLR and GoPro. let's check it out. How to save money. I buy this particular stand in this DSLR. It's quite expensive compared to this one. That one is really expensive, around $110, and this product price just only $70. Look at this here. Very easily remove this portion, and now you can put it here, your DSLR, very easily, like this. So same product, you can very easily fix out DSLR and increase the size also. It's very simple. I can very easily record the pictures and all, especially the quality of the product, and you can feel very rich product, not like okay, what exactly I'm buying and this rubbish. This is a really quality product. So using the DSLR, you can record like a Instagram reel or Facebook reel also, or shorter video. Look like this. That one is really amazing. This is advantage one of this tripod. Now I just simply remove this one, and it's very simple to remove. Now I added here my GoPro. I am a YouTuber. I am making number of videos regarding the blogging of city exploring and some tech video. So that point of view, I already use very cheapest product. I am buying some other website, and every year I am purchasing 2-3 tripod. It's amazing. You can use this product and connect 3 different product. So that one is a really amazing. Even I will make a review video also after using 1 or 2 weeks, and then I will share with you real review of this product upcoming days. So you can wait 1 week, and then I will provide you entire review video, how to use, what is the advantage. It's really worth it to buy or not. I will provide you genuine review upcoming days. So this is a just unboxing and little bit a review video, but original review video I will make, connect 3 different devices again and record the video inside house and outside house, and what is the advantage of this particular product, if really needed to buy this product or not. So I will provide you detailed review upcoming days. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.